Eating healthy doesn't mean giving up on flavor. Imagine dishes that are not only packed with nutrients but also so delicious, you'll crave them again and again. Today, we're diving into 7 globally loved healthy dinner ideas that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also nourish your body. Ready to explore meals that taste as good as they are for you? 1. Mediterranean Quinoa Salad with lemon tahini dressing. Let's kick things off with a light yet satisfying option, the Mediterranean Quinoa Salad. Think of the bright, fresh flavors of juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and tangy feta, all tossed in a creamy lemon tahini dressing. Quinoa is the star here, providing a complete protein source. This dish doesn't just feed your hunger, it fuels your body with vitamins and minerals, while giving you a burst of Mediterranean sunshine in every bite. 2. Thai-inspired coconut curry with chickpeas and veggies. Next, we travel to the vibrant flavors of Thailand with a creamy coconut curry packed with chickpeas and vegetables. The twist? This rich, velvety dish is completely plant-based yet bursting with bold flavors like ginger, garlic, and red curry paste. It's comforting, filling, and so aromatic you'll feel like you're dining in Bangkok from your own kitchen. Best part? It's super easy to make, and the ingredients, coconut milk, chickpeas, and fresh veggies, are accessible worldwide. 3. Grilled salmon with garlic lemon herb sauce. For something quick and packed with protein, we've got the grilled salmon with garlic lemon herb sauce. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. But here's where it gets exciting. The garlic lemon herb sauce elevates the flavors, turning a simple salmon fillet into a restaurant quality dish. Served with a side of roasted veggies or a fresh salad, this meal is as refreshing as it is satisfying. 4. Veggie stuffed bell peppers with a twist. You might think you've had stuffed bell peppers before, but these veggie stuffed bell peppers bring something different to the table. Instead of the usual ground meat filling, these peppers are packed with a flavorful mix of black beans, brown rice, and a sprinkle of cheese, or a dairy-free option if you prefer. The twist? A hint of smoked paprika and cumin gives them a subtle kick, making them both comforting and exciting. Plus, it's a one-dish wonder, perfect for busy weeknights. 5. Moroccan spiced lentil stew. From North Africa, we bring you the warm aromatic flavors of a Moroccan spiced lentil stew. Lentils, which are rich in protein and fiber, form the base of this hearty dish. The spices, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, and a touch of turmeric, create layers of flavor that are both earthy and vibrant. It's the kind of meal that comforts you on a cold night, but is light enough for year-round enjoyment. And here's the best part. This meal tastes even better the next day. 6. Chicken fajita lettuce wraps. For a lighter twist on a classic favorite, try chicken fajita lettuce wraps. Instead of tortillas, crisp lettuce leaves hold the juicy seasoned chicken, sautéed peppers, and onions. The fajita seasoning gives you all the classic flavors you love, but without the extra carbs. Add a dollop of fresh guacamole or salsa on top, and you've got a meal that's fresh, satisfying, and full of flavor. Plus, you won't feel heavy after eating it, just satisfied. 7. Cauliflower Fried Rice. And finally, we end with a global favorite that's had a healthy makeover, cauliflower fried rice. All the flavors you love from traditional fried rice, but with cauliflower standing in for the rice. Sautéed with a mix of colorful veggies, a splash of soy sauce or tamari for a gluten-free option, and a hint of sesame oil. This dish is both light and savory. It's low-carb, nutrient-dense, and it tastes so good you won't even miss the real rice. Which of these dinner ideas has got you the most excited to cook? Share your favorite healthy meal in the comments below.